an image, go to image properties. This is if we're doing it retrospectively and the image is already added, and there we have the image properties, and I'll show you a bit more about that later. But we select the link, either paste it to and create an external link or an internal link, and click OK, and that will automatically create and turn that image into a link. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a table and add images within the word processor. Creating a table, simply select the table, select the number of rows and the number of columns. Obviously width is by percentage or pixels. If you select default, if you use the pixels and you re-edit or come back to the table and edit it at some point, it will automatically default back to percentage. So you must reset the pixel setting. To note, default to center, so you can align the table. These are standard settings, and just for alignment, etc. All pretty simple to remember. And we can then just go through and edit the table, etc. To delete that, we can just right click in the word processor and go down to table properties. Again, edit it if we need to, or we can delete it and go delete table, and the table is then removed. To add an image to the site, we again find where you want the image, and what I'll do is I'll paste some text in here, and then we will place an image inside the text to give you an example of text wrapping as well. Adding an image within the word processor. As you'll see, we've added some content from the main site and the other website, and what we will do now is add an image in amongst the content, add to display, and we can do this with text wrapping. Example, we select the add image, and we then select browse, and general images will be displayed within the images section. As you can see, there's no real images contained within this folder, and these are folders contained within on the main server, and this is specifically related to this website. So what we're going to do is import an image and upload an image to the website. It is important, if you upload an image using through this section, that the images are resized before uploading. Only web safe size images must be loaded, and what we're going to do is just browse to your local computer for an image, and we just want a small image. We're going to upload it. I'm going to select that image. It is now in there, and select upload. That image is then now there. We can select it, and as you'll see, it is ready to go in. We must give that image a name. So we're going to call it Stuart Reid. Give that a capital and delete that. The width of the image is 150. We can alter that by, and we can, if we want to increase it to 200, it will automatically adjust the height unless we unlock it, and then we can alter them individually. In this instance, we're just going to leave it at 150. It will automatically put a border on that of 1 pixel and have horizontal space of 8 pixels and vertical space of 2, and it's going to wrap the text to the left. And this is the automatic settings, which are standard every time you add an image to the site. So in this instance, we're not going to have any border horizontal and vertical space we're going to leave as is, and we're also going to leave it with text wrapping on the left. This means that as you'll see in this here, it wraps the text to the left of the image. And okay, so we have text, as you'll see. Let's place the image over here, and that is quite simply. We can also again select image properties, come back in here, and we can do text wrapping right, and that will wrap the text to the right. We can move that around as we need to within the on the page, and we can just save that, and that updates. As you'll see, we have the content with the image displaying on the page. This is quite simply how to add an image within the system, bearing in mind each image must be resized and then before uploading to the server. We can also make that image a link by using the link command. So very simple, very easy to use system within the word processor. Again, what you see is what you get, a WYSIWYG system.